Hello everyone, welcome back to Makeup Fridays with Pons. My name is Chanda and I go as a brand name Makeup by Chanda. Today I'm going to create this glitter glam makeup look. Hope you enjoy it and stay tuned for more.
For primer, I'm starting with Pond's Light Moisturizer Cream. Then I'm using Pond's BB Cream to create a smooth base for makeup application. Nowadays it's all about eyebrows. The bigger the better. Start by shaping and filling in your eyebrows with pencil and spoolie to help create a well-defined arch. Your face wouldn't be complete without a little foundation. Make sure you blend it well with a brush or damp beauty blender. For eyeshadow, I'm using a matte brown color. First dust color onto your lids, then follow up with a crease color. Apply a thin wing liner, following up with a coat of mascara. I'm also adding eyelashes for the dramatic look. To add a bit more drama to your look, apply glitter winged liner just as you would with your regular winged liner. Use a light concealer to brighten your under eyes and then set it with a loose powder. Then I'm adding a little bit of cream blush for the fresh glow. I'm going for a bold lip color, but you can always choose a lighter shade. Add some highlighter to complete your look. And here is the final look. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more.